Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to set watermarks in Google Docs. So let's start. To set watermarks in Google Docs, we will go to our insert, and under the insert find the page elements, and under the page elements we will go to our watermarks section here. So I'll click here, watermarks. There are two options here. We can set as watermarks, image or text. If you want to add image, you will click here and choose browse an image from a desktop. But let's try word text. So I'm going to use a text here. So I'm going to watermark. Okay. Now we can choose the font family here, which one you want, and you can style it. Okay, there are styling option here. You can choose the color what you want. Okay, you can add the transparency. Okay, how the style you want, you can choose it horizontal. Okay, but where you want it at the center. Okay, and you can choose the placement of the watermark. Okay, now let's try image, how you can remove this watermark, and we will add an image here as watermark. Now we will add an image. Suppose I would like to add this image. So if you want this image to show without the faded, you can choose unselect that, but I want this image to show as faded. Okay, and you can get here a more image option here. Brightness, you can increase the brightness of this image, and opacity is 100%, so you can keep it 60 or 70%. Contrast you can change, but I am going to and you can add alt text for the image. That means if somehow image is not loaded here, this text will be suppose I am going to set this alt text for this image is baby. Okay, but I'm going to reset everything here, and you can change here the image position here. Where you want this image to be. If you want to be center or top, everywhere you can set anything here, and okay, you can size the image here. Okay, so there are so many settings that you can choose here. That's all the video. Thanks for watching.